Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to build a checkout page in GoHighLevel. If you're looking to create a seamless payment experience for your customers directly within your funnels, this is exactly what you need to set up. First, open your web browser and navigate to your GoHighLevel login page, enter your credentials, and click Login to access your account. Once you're in, you'll be able to start building your checkout page from scratch. Now look at the left-hand navigation menu and click on Sites. This will take you directly to your funnels and website page, which is the central hub for managing all your funnel-related content. This is where you'll build and organize every step of your customer journey. From the funnels page, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Plus New Funnel. Go ahead and click on it. A pop-up window will appear presenting you with 3 creation options: from blank, by AI, or from a template. For this tutorial, select From Blank so you have full control over the design. Then enter a name for your funnel to keep things organized. Once your funnel is created, you'll land on the funnel page itself. Here, click on plus Add New Step or Import. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your page. Something like Checkout Page works perfectly. After naming it, click Create Funnel Step. Your new funnel step will appear in the list. Click on Edit and wait a moment while GoHighLevel loads the funnel editor page. When the editor opens, look at the top left of your screen and click on the plus icon. This is the Add Elements option, and it's your gateway to building out the page. A left side menu will appear with various layout and content options. From that menu, find Rows and drag a 1-column row onto the blank canvas. This creates the structure where your checkout form will live. Now, on the 1-column row you just added, click the orange plus Add button. The Elements menu will open again. This time, use the search bar at the top and type in Order. You'll see 3 different order elements appear. Choose the one that suits your business type and needs. For this tutorial, we'll use the one-step order element. Drag it into the column you added earlier. At this point, the checkout field is now part of your funnel. But before you go live, you'll want to customize it to match your brand and collect the exact information you need. Navigate to the right side panel where you'll see all the customization options. Go through the fields one by one and adjust them based on your requirements, whether that's adding custom fields, changing colors, or tweaking the layout. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, click Publish to make your checkout page live. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.